Hello everyone, here's a quick update. We'll be making 3 changes to the channel to better comply with the YouTube's policy, and here is what you need to know. First, you'll now see a 15-second disclaimer at the start of my hacking demonstration videos because YouTube's guidelines prohibit content that encourages illegal activities. Now, even educational hacking demos can be misinterpreted, and adding a disclaimer clarifies that the contents are ethical and educational on purpose. Now, second, I will not be demonstrating a step-by-step tutorial of a full hack anymore. My videos will now focus on demonstrating the concepts and the techniques for educational purposes and not provide instruction that can be easily misused, because this is very important, because YouTube's harmful or dangerous content policy strictly prohibits content that provides instruction of illegal activities. And by focusing on concepts and not full tutorial, I'm mitigating the risk of my content being misinterpreted or misused. And I want to provide an educational value for you all, while keeping within the spirit of the YouTube's community guidelines. So if you want more details, I will be accompanying all of these videos with articles that deep dives on those type of topics. And lastly, I will stop or try to avoid using terminologies like hack, attack, and instead I will be using a more educational, ethical, and neutral terms. For example, instead of saying hacking a system, I might say analyzing system vulnerabilities or performing a security assessment. This change helps to further clarify the educational and ethical nature of my content. You see, I am very excited to continue bringing you more informative content, and I appreciate you understanding all of these changes. So stay tuned for more, my fellow Hakista.